In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a task, a subtask in Todoist. If you're trying to organize a big project, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces is one of the best things you can do. Subtasks let you group related work together underneath a main task, so you can see the overall goal as well as each individual step you need to complete. Let's walk through how to do this in Todoist step by step. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of projects. Go ahead and select the project that contains the task you want to turn into a subtask, or the task you want to add subtasks under. Just click once on the project name, and the main view will update to show all of the tasks inside that project. Once you're inside the project, look through the task list and choose the task you want to work with. This will usually be a broader or higher level task, something like plan marketing campaign or prepare for presentation, where you know there are several smaller steps involved. Click directly on the task name to open its detail view. This will slide in from the side or open in a panel, depending on your layout. Inside the task details, you'll see various options such as due dates, labels, and comments. What you're looking for here is the option to add a subtask. In Todoist, this is usually labeled Add Subtask and appears underneath the task content area. Click on Add Subtask and a new line will appear where you can type the name of your subtask. Type a clear specific subtask name like Draft Outline or Collect Reference Materials. Press Enter to save it. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, clicking Add Subtask again to create additional subtasks under the same main task. As you work, you'll be able to check off each subtask one by one. This not only keeps everything organized, but also gives you a visual sense of progress toward completing the main task. And remember, you can always edit or delete subtasks later if your plan changes. That's all you need to do to make a task a subtask in Todoist and keep your projects neatly structured and easy to manage.